My name is François Grenier, and I'm a multimedia artist, I guess. I paint and I work with ceramics. And this guy is missing his arms, as you can see. I will get to it. The title of the show, The State of the World. What I want is a bracket that's going to be about 12 inches from the wall. So we have depth with the installation. The heads are small. And I will install them at eye level so the figure actually looks in your eyes and expresses this disdain, rage, sadness, and so on and so forth.
My name is Michael Garland Jr. I'm a film photographer, primarily large format. We are exploring film photography again. It's coming back. I personally have been taking pictures since 1976, and we have a darkroom on site, and eventually we'll be teaching film photography.
Hi, I'm Carlo Cresta, and I draw in addiction and mental health and everything and anything. It's what I like to do.
Yeah, my name is Hrytzak. I'm a wood artist based in Chatham, Ontario. I started out wood turning several years ago, mostly with turning wooden bowls and simple vases. I've actually over the years transitioned more into more artistic pieces, artistic vases, whimsical pieces.
Visit CKARtstudiotour.com.